All right, so bear with me a moment because we're about to talk about the C word, and that is custody. Now, in Illinois, custody does exist in many realms, but for purposes of divorce law, it doesn't exist anymore. Now, people still use the term, so I'm going to do my best to explain what does it mean for you and what does it mean for the court system. Really, custody was something that people always fought over. And they would say, I have legal custody, we have shared custody, joint custody, summer custody, all of these different terms. But quite frankly, people didn't really understand what they were arguing over. So in Illinois, they changed the language and it's now called allocation of parental responsibility. So something I'll just sometimes call APR. Essentially, what that means is decision making. Who makes the major decisions for the children? And in Illinois, there's four major decisions, and in no particular order, they are healthcare, religion, extracurriculars, and education. And then we break each one of these down and we go through them one by one. Can you guys make joint decisions when it comes to religion? If yes, we can say you have joint decision making when it comes to religion. Can you do it for healthcare? And on and on. We go down the list and we identify where are the discrepancies. Sometimes people can agree on three of them and one of them they can, and that's okay. You make those actual decisions based upon your unique circumstances. So once you have decision making aside, then you have parenting time. And the best way I like to explain parenting time is it breaks down into sections. You have regular parenting time, which is essentially school year. What is the regular schedule while the children are in school? Then you have holidays and you have breaks. So breaks would be spring break, summer break, fall break, winter break, things like that. What we need to do is just go through each one of those components. Same thing with holidays. How do you want to split up your holidays? Do you want to do them evenly? Do you want to alternate years? Every situation is different and it should be based upon your family and your circumstances.